Hey guys, Eric Henderson here with Adventures Afield. On this episode, we're going to take a look at the Umarex Gauntlet. This one's in 25 caliber. It is a 8-shot repeater. It's regulated, and 25 caliber is regulated to 1900 psi. And 22 and 177 is regulated to 1100 psi. And from initial shooting, this thing's incredibly accurate. We're going to be shooting the JSB Exact King Diablos. These are 25.39 grains. They're 6.35 millimeter, so 25 caliber. This one's topped with a Axion 4-16 by 44 and a optical dynamics light. I had this set up for a pig hunt that I did a few months back. Didn't see any pigs, so obviously I didn't post a video. But this thing's accurate. You can get this bare bones, no scope or anything, for way under $300. Now that's way more accurate and a lot cheaper than a Benjamin Marauder. We're going to do some shooting, but the person doing the shooting is going to be my friend Bill Dempsey.
How you doing?
So we're at his house. We got plenty of room here. It's a safe backstop. And like I said, he's going to be doing the shooting. That way I can film, and you can also get a reaction from him of what he thinks of this gun. This is the first time he's ever shot this gun, so his reaction will be, well, it'll be real. So there's a gun.
Made in Arkansas? No, I'm just kidding. It is an Arkansas company though.
Yes. So let's head out. All right, check this out. There's 8 shots. This is 40 yards. I mean, we're talking headshots on squirrels, not a problem. 41 foot-pounds. As you can see, the velocity started to curve up a little bit. So when I said 41 foot-pounds, it was doing 869. I think it jumped up in the 870s. But I mean, you know, over 40 foot-pounds. That's impressive for a gun that you can buy bare bones for, well under $300.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Did not refill the gun. This is a second magazine off the same fill, and accuracy is still there. That's impressive. Good shooting, Bill.
Thanks. I like the feel of the bolt action. It's smooth, works good, gets you to the next shot better. I really like it.
And you said earlier, compared to your Marauder?
The Marauder has a tendency to stick sometimes. This is a little bit smoother, I think, and get you off the bolt to the trigger quicker.
All right, my final thoughts on the Umarex Gauntlet. I mean, the video pretty much speaks for itself. It's a very accurate gun. It's quiet, it's regulated, and it's all at an entry-level price, even though I wouldn't really consider this an entry-level gun. Hey guys, thanks for watching my videos. Check out Umarex for all their other great products, and check out my other videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.